You did.
High thoughts.
You should live it up, live it up, live it up. You should live it up, live it up, live it up. Fuck it, it's Friday, I'ma do it my way. I just had to work at 4 and I ain't show up. I decided that I really fucking had enough. I decided that I really
What's up? It's Railey Rose. I'm about to do the Perso Suites with High Thoughts TV. Let's get it.
top if you ain't working hard enough. If you ain't working hard enough.
Alright, what's up, y'all? My name is Railey Rose, and I'm from Houston, Texas. I'm 24, and we out here, you dig? I've definitely been like all around music my whole life because my dad, he plays the guitar and my uncle plays the drums. So they had like a band together. That's how they got together. And like I just been in the sessions with him, like studio, all that. So it just made me like want to tap into it even more. And I started doing that like after high school professionally. Definitely like acid rap. Like I fucked with that hard. Chance, acid rap, like Jhene, Aiko, her coming up. I've always been into like soul and funk as well because my dad, he does a lot of blues music. So just like different people, Erica Badu, the internet. Like, oh, I remember this one time. My dad like had a singer. He was in a band basically. Her name was Delana, and she was like some Austrian singer. I don't know, but they was doing rock, and like she didn't show up to her rehearsal, and my dad took me. So I was just like there, and I knew all the words too, and he told me to go up there and sing, and my little ass got up there and sang all the words, and like there was like three like hillbilly ass people drinking in the bar at the time, but it was cool. I was like, damn, this is cool. Like I'm jamming with my dad, and then like going to the studio with him and like seeing him jam in the fucking garage, all that shit. Like I'm learning guitar. I'm learning guitar right now, but shout out to Pops. He was like, damn, you should have did that early on, but it's never too late. Just being in the situation that I'm in right now, being, helped and put on different platforms, and like having a team basically behind me, because you can't really, like, you can be an independent artist and all that, but you always gonna have people around you helping you, like support you. And so I think like with all of that, like I'm very grateful to where I am right now, and it's only the beginning. Definitely like working with different artists in Houston. Like right after high school, I was like, damn, this is something that I really want to like pursue for real, because I didn't go to college, so I'm just really focused on that and working on different records with different artists and different people, just building relationships. Well, I met Carl through my manager, Juice Gotti. Shout out Juice. And, you know, after Carl listened to what I had and all the records that I put in work just on my own time, he was just like, let's go. So ever since then, we've been working real hard, and I'm about to drop my first EP. So shout out to Sounds of a Rose. Yeah, I'm just grateful to be here. Very just excited to grow. It's just like me blossoming into my own person, like just knowing like what my sound is and where I want to go with the music. Like I don't want to be put in a certain genre. I don't want to be put in a box. I just want to be myself truly at the end of the day. So yeah, it's just about like finding your true self and like going through life situations as well, like life shit. Women culture is crazy because it's like all evolving like as we speak, and for Houston is especially just like seeing Megan like blow up and do her thing, and like just other people in Houston, Travis Scott, like all that shit is dope to see, and I want to be like for sure the next person to do it. So that's my goal. And Houston, damn, we just growing. Like, shout out Houston, Texas, born and raised. It was fun. I worked with Ayo Keys. They're two producers that are Grammy nominated, and just gotta show love to them because they just made it comfortable for us to pull up and do our thing. Like, we made some new records, and they may or may not be on the tape, so y'all gotta find out. Y'all gotta stay tuned. But it was definitely lit. Shout out Atlanta, cause I fuck with ATL. We gonna be back soon, couple weeks. What country? Yeah, I see my shit worldwide. Like, I definitely want to be a mark, like, just legendary with this shit, cause it's definitely possible, and I feel like just different people can vibe with my music, and that's why I'm like liking my sound so far, cause like it can be a boy, a girl, anybody that's gonna fuck with it. Definitely Friday. It's out now. You feel me, on all platforms. It's just about like turning up, getting ready for the weekend. Like, everybody fucks with Friday because you got time off to do your thing, go out. Like, but yeah, it just really inspired me. Like a turn up song, and yeah, music video dropping soon too. Like, be yourself. Like, don't forget where you started, basically. Sounds of a Rose 2020. I was looking like, you know 2019, end of 2019, 2020. I don't have a date yet, but I got all the records and shit, so we're working on putting it together, and I'm hella excited. Stay tuned for that, for sure. Both. Like, I'll go in like and just have a beat that I wanna like write to, and I'll just write, or I'll do it like when I'm at home, and then like just go in the studio and lay it down. But it's definitely like easy to catch a vibe. Just gotta roll a backwood, you feel me, and just flavor of choice would be like I've been smoking the regular, like, what do they call the sweet, right? Yeah, sweet. Cause like Russian cream, like sometimes they be tasting a little weird. I don't know. You gotta put a lot of bud, roll a thoink. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I want to try like vanilla and all them exotic ones too. But I like Fanta leaves. But shit, Trill Sammy, you know what I'm saying? Like Paul Wall, maybe, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. Y'all gotta stay tuned. That's a secret. But different artists, like shout out Dende, like people like that coming up. Cause it's just crazy. Like, Houston's really going up with people trying to like pursue music. Where I be going? I be going to like I be trying to switch it up. You know what I'm saying? Um, you see, and I never been the barbecue. I be going to like barbecue spots. We be switching it up. Lotus Seafood's always good. Let's see, Turkey Leg Hut. I wish we had a Roscoe's out here, but you know what I'm saying. You know what's crazy? I've never been to Breakfast Club. Like, who am I? Am I even from Houston? Like, what? No, but they making an In and Out though. I just want to make that known to everybody out there. On my true In and Out. Oh, Whataburger. Talk my shit. Talk my shit. My name is Railey Rose. You feel me? I am the Rose from the Concrete, and stay tuned to all my shit. Friday out now on all platforms. You feel me? 1501 certified, just in time. Railey Rose. Stay tuned. I appreciate y'all. At Rose Railey. You know, Rose like the flower, Railey, Railey. You know, that's pretty much everywhere. And then Railey Rose everywhere else. So yeah, YouTube, SoundCloud, Spotify, iTunes, Apple Music. You dig.
Focus on tonight, babe.